You are busy, well paid, but financially uncertain, just like many professionals. If this is you, time is not the reason your finances feel messy. It's not your long hours. It's not your demanding boss. It's not your kids, your commute, or your side responsibilities. By the end of this video, you'll discover why the busiest people actually have the best chance of building wealth. How one Kenyan executive took control of his money without adding a single hour to his schedule, and the simple systems that quietly move you from salary stress to financial peace. Stay with me because this might change how you look at money forever. Hi, my name is Manyera Kirago. For over 20 years, I've worked with high-earning Kenyan professionals, people in corporates like Safaricom, Citibank, Bamburi Cement, NGOs, multinationals, and in senior roles in business. These are not people who lack intelligence or discipline. They earn well, they work hard, and yet many of them come to me feeling financially stuck, anxious, and frustrated. The good news, many of those same clients today have predictable rental income, clear financial systems, and a growing sense of freedom without quitting their jobs or sacrificing their families. That's what I want for you too. Let's talk about the stories we tell ourselves. We tell ourselves that I'll manage my money properly when I have more time. This sounds reasonable. You're busy, you're tired. You'll sort it out later. The problem, later never comes. The hidden cost is years of drifting. Money coming in, money going out, no clear progress, and constant low-grade stress. Number two, we tell ourselves managing money needs constant attention. This belief pushes you towards random decisions. Buying land here, joining a circle there, trying money market funds without a plan. The uncomfortable truth, constant attention is a sign of no system. Number three, I earn well, so I should be fine. Well, this one is dangerous. A good income without structure does not create freedom. It just creates a nicer version of stress. Bigger expenses, bigger obligations, same anxiety. And before you know it, 10 years, 20 years have passed. Here is a truth that changes everything. Systems, not time, create financial control. Let me say it again. Systems, not time, create financial control. Systems, not salary, create freedom. When your finances rely on memory, effort, and willpower, they fall apart under pressure. When you rely on systems, they run quietly in the background of your life. And for Kenyan professionals right now, school fees rising, inflation biting, job security becoming more uncertain, this matters more than ever. Let me tell you about James. Of course, that's not his real name. James was a senior executive in Nairobi, worked long hours, he traveled frequently, he had a good income, and on paper he was successful. In reality, he had scattered investments, no clear net worth picture, anxiety every year when school fees came up. He had land in Kitengela, a cycle deduction he barely understood, some money in money market funds just sitting. His starting point wasn't more hassle, it was clarity. We simplified everything, automated decisions, defined what mattered, cash flow over prestige. Within a few years, James acquired his first rental property. Today, rental income covers school fees and part of his lifestyle. More importantly, money stopped being a daily mental burden. His marriage improved and his sleep improved. His confidence also improved. Not because he had more time, but because he had a system. Let me break this down into 4 simple pillars. The first one is visibility. If you can't see your money clearly, you can't control it. For example, Many professionals don't know their true net worth. Ignoring this keeps you guessing. Tracking gives you power. Number 2, automation. Good decisions made once, not daily. Standing orders, automatic investments, loan repayments aligned with income. Without automation, discipline eventually fails. With it, progress becomes boring and powerful. Number 3, cash flow forecast. Not all investments are equal. Land feels good, apartments that pay you monthly feel freeing. Ignoring cash flow keeps you guessing. Ignoring cash flow keeps you dependent on a salary. Prioritizing it buys you options. Then number 4 is guidance. Smart people don't guess alone. Doing this without guidance is like driving in the dark with no headlights. I know what I'll hear. I don't have enough time. You don't need more time. You need fewer decisions. I don't know where to start. Nobody does. That's why systems exist. What if I choose the wrong investment? That risk is reduced dramatically with structure and support. You are not behind. You are not incapable. You're just missing a framework. Here is what a busy professional can realistically do. Step number 1 is to write down everything you own and owe. No judgment, just facts. Step 2, decide what freedom means. Cash flow, not image. Step 3, learn the basics that matter. How income producing assets work. Step 4, build a small support team. Step 5, plug into a proven roadmap instead of experimenting. These steps don't require weekends, they just require intention. This is exactly what I help clients do inside my financial freedom coaching program. We replace confusion with clarity. We replace guesswork with structure. We replace stress with a calm, executable plan. Clients don't just learn, they move. If this video resonated with you, the next step is simple. Book a free one-on-one strategy session with me. In that session, we will get a true picture of where you stand financially. We will also outline a personalized roadmap from income to assets. And you get confidence through a clear coached action plan. This is not a sales call, it's a clarity call. Spots are limited, and this is especially for high-earning professionals who are tired of starting over every year. Let me ask you, what feels harder right now? Finding time to manage money or living with the uncertainty of not having a plan? Please let me know in the comments. If you found value here, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's earning well but feels stuck. My mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to real financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.